Hey guys, what's going on? So, as you guys might know, I am lucky enough to be able to max out my stocks and shares ISA every year. Um, and so because of that, I have a little bit of extra money, and I've decided to put it into a general investing account. I could have done a range of things with it, from buying the bonds, the to all sorts. So, but I've decided to do general investing account, even if it does mean that I will have to pay taxes on my gains. So, as you guys might be able to see, that in the top left, my current portfolio balance in my general investing account is £24,000. Now, I've done quite well in this account. This account is less than a year old. So, let's see how much of that I've actually invested. So, if you go over, my portfolio is just all Tesla. And if you go look into the left, we can see. Look, I click on the 1 year, and if we and it's so yeah, it's well, it's yeah, so it's just about a year old, and that was just the very start. I didn't actually start putting like real money into it till the end of January. Obviously, I did start it at the pretty much a year ago, 12th of January. That's when I put the first bit of money in, and obviously it's the 10th today, so just about on the year mark for this portfolio. And now, as you can see, I put money in. I put about 7-8 thousand in, and then we hit the new tax year. So then I went back to my stocks and shares ISA, put money in my stocks and shares ISA through all this time, maxed out my stocks and shares ISA, and now I've gone back to putting in my general investing account. So as you guys can see, I'm currently sitting at a return of £11,647. I've invested £12,500 ish. Obviously, I've got some of the money I've got in just in cash, but the actual money I've invested, I've put in about 12,500. But yeah, I've invested £12,455. Now that bought me 73.95 Tesla shares. It's a bit annoying. I will put some money back in to get it to the full amount. And most likely buy some today because I've just been paid. So I'll probably put some more money in. But as you guys can see, when we've seen Tesla over the past year, it has just, for the first part of the year, it just flatlined, which is why you can see in my portfolio, it just stayed pretty flat. And it was only recently, since, the Tesla has jumped up, that I've actually seen massive growth. Now, if you look at my average Tesla price, sitting at $215 a share, or £168 a share, which compared to the current price of $401 a share, that's not bad at all for just a year's worth of returns. So obviously, I'm not expecting to be able to do 93% every single year. That is just insane. But that's why I chose to go with the general investing account rather than just like other savings accounts, saving the money, even waiting till I get my allowance refreshes, because I was like, Tesla in the $200 ranges is just such a good cost, like such a good bargain, that even if I have to pay 20, like what capital gains has gone up, I probably won't sell any of this for the next 5 years. And by that point, Labour government should be out. If the UK population has any sense, vote them out. And hopefully we get a reform government that again brings taxes down, or even a conservative government that they'll bring back taxes down, even though generally the conservatives' policies aren't too different from Labour. But but just Labour is just killing the economy of the 40 billion tax increase. So yeah, I've been trying to avoid paying tax as much as possible, but yeah, it's gone up from, I think it was 10% before based off my income rate, and now it's gone up to like 18%. So nearly double in the amount of tax I have to pay on this realized gains if I was to sell. Luckily, I'm not going to sell. I'm just continuing to buy more, buy more, buy more. And then maybe when they, Labour reverses their stupid decision, or they just get kicked out, because I do think there will be a one-term Labour, then I'll be in a better tax position to just sell off then. All right. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of seeing my portfolio, my 1 year update on my general investing account, because obviously I've been investing for 4 years, but it's only recently where I've started to earn enough money to max out my stocks and shares ISA, where I've actually been able to put money into a general investing account. Anyway, guys, please make sure to comment down below if you want me to answer any of your questions. I will do a Q&A. I got some really good comments that I did reply to in my previous video, but there are a lot of you that wouldn't have seen my replies to those comments, so I will make a full Q&A in the next couple videos. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching so much, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.